Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Telangana Chief Minister KCR had declared that the state will not have any lockdown whatsoever. The government also claims that the COVID situation in the state is very much under control. This amidst the criticism and allegations that the state government may be fudging the data, may not be transparent with the COVID bulletins that they release daily. It's not like there have been no restrictions in Telangana at all. As we speak, there's a night curfew imposed in the state from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. And keeping the festival season in mind of Ugadi, Holi and Ramzan, the state government had imposed a ban on huge gatherings, religious gatherings particularly, but that was only up until April 30th. In the first week of May, over the last few days, the older part of Hyderabad had come under extreme criticism for where markets closer to Charminar were seen with huge number of people. And today we've come here in Charminar, we've come to Charminar to check the local markets of Hyderabad here in Charminar, where particularly during Ramzan, there's a lot of street market here, to see that there are hundreds present in the market at a time despite police being on the ground. COVID protocols have been violated, no masks and absolutely no social distancing. And even the local police present here does not seem to do much in ensuring that there's enough physical distancing.
These are scenes from older part of Hyderabad's month-long Eid markets. With very limited restrictions in place and no thoughts of any lockdown by state government, hundreds of people thronged to these markets for the festival shopping. It is almost impossible to maintain physical distancing in these markets full of narrow bylanes, and visibly not many have masks in place, violating all the COVID protocols. The City Police Commissioner says this is just 1/10 of the crowd compared to the pre-2020 period, which is true. The crowd is certainly a lot less this time, but it is still worrying because the state and the country are fighting with the deadly coronavirus second wave. The Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation area limits, which is Hyderabad and the surrounding areas, have always reported the highest number of cases in the entire state. The city police claims that anyone violating the COVID protocols have been booked, penalties have been issued. The vendors too say that the police has been strict, but the ground reality looks different. Like the police, state government and the chief minister's claims, people believe that cases in Telangana are under control and the situation is better than other states.
पुलिस का हम लोगों को कॉपरेट तो बहुत है मैडम, क्यों बोले तो पुलिस हमको हेल्प भी कर रही है कि हम लोग को आगे बात भी कर रही है, मास्क लगा बेटा, कारोबार करना है तो मास्क लगा, रूल्स फॉलो कर, हमको आगे ताकीद करके जाते हैं।
लेकिन आप लोगों का क्या लगता है, वो दूरी का फासला रख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
कहाँ रख रहे मैडम, कोई भी नहीं रख पा रहे।
There has been a 53% rise in the total COVID cases in the state from April 1st week to the same period in May, and at least a 200% rise in the daily number of cases reported in the same period. There was a 1400% rise in COVID cases from mid-March to April, the same time when the state saw massive political rallies and road shows for the by-elections. On April 6th, the daily COVID cases were 1914, which jumped to more than 5,500 as on May 7th. The state also reported as high as 10,000 cases a day in the last 1 month. For the many vendors, this is their daily income, and staying home is not an option if they want to feed their families. The vendors recollect the harrowing time when the markets were shut in 2020 and they were left penniless. But they're back up in 2021. According to them, they make at least 40% more income only in the month-long Eid market than the rest of the year. For the women, who are the majority of the visitors here, this is a time that they look forward to in the entire year, where they're allowed to step out and buy something of their choice.
खतरा तो हो सकता है, बीमारी है वो, कितना भी आप ऐसा मास्क लगा के ग्लव्स पहन के भी बाहर निकले तो बीमारी तो कोविड तो लगना ही है। बस बचा सकता है ऊपर वाला, और कुछ नहीं कर सकते इस बारे में। नोट भी होना ज़रूरी है घर चलने के लिए, अगर नोट नहीं रही तो घर कैसा चलेगा। लॉकडाउन तो हर जगह लगा हुआ है, पब्लिक परेशान है। लॉकडाउन इधर भी लगा दिए तो परेशानी पब्लिक को होगी। कंपेयर करें तो 10% भी पब्लिक नहीं है, नहीं तो यहाँ पर पूरी ट्रैफिक, बैक साइड सब साइड ट्रैफिक रहती है, उतनी क्राउड रहता, आप खुद परेशान हो जाते।
चलने का भी वो नहीं।
Unlike every year, complying to the protocol, the community leaders urge that people do not come to the masjid for prayers to avoid gatherings. which is also why this time the people who turned up for prayers at the masjid were a lot less, the police says. Hyderabad MIM MP Asaduddin Owaisi also appealed to the people to adhere to the COVID protocols. The state government imposed a night curfew, which also means that there cannot be any night Eid markets, which the old Hyderabad is famous for. The High Court had asked the state government to take a decision on any kind of lockdown, but the Chief Minister clarified that Telangana will not have any. This is Rishika Sadam for The Print from Hyderabad.